Hi, it's Donnie, and this time we're going to give you some tips to extend the life of your used vehicle. Let's get rolling. Did you know nearly 70% of all car sales are used car sales? It makes sense to a lot of us to purchase a used vehicle. We're going to give you some tips on how to keep those things rolling. Most importantly, stay up on your vehicle maintenance. Make sure to follow the recommendations of your manufacturer. Taking care of your vehicle is like taking care of yourself. Take preventative steps to make sure your vehicle keeps rolling. Look for warning signs, noises, lights, anything that seems out of place that doesn't make your vehicle run the correct way. Prevent rust and other issues by maintaining the cleanliness of the interior and exterior of your car. Also, when you take your car to get fixed, make sure it's ASE certified, Automotive Service Excellence certified technicians that are working on your vehicle. At a minimum, complete your annual inspections. Now keep in mind, different types of seasons needs different type of inspections. So keep track year-round of what you need to do to keep your car up to date. Use quality parts. Fill your vehicle up with the proper gas. Regular oil changes will keep your car running smoothly. If you need any details on that, check out our previous vehicle on why oil is so important. When buying a vehicle, stick to dealerships with an inspection process. This inspection process ensures the safety and reliability of the vehicle. Also, keep in mind, you may want to check out a dealership with a maintenance facility attached to it so that they work closely together to make sure the quality of the inspection is ensured. Your relationship with the dealership should not stop at the end of the purchase. A used vehicle is a great investment. Extend the life of your car by proactively taking maintenance steps and make great decisions when purchasing. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, press like, and drop a comment at the bottom. Tell us what else you would like to see.